In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Temu account, step-by-step guide. Whether you're new to Temu or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the login process in a straightforward and intuitive way. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and go to Temu's website. Simply type www.temu.com into the address bar and hit enter. A reminder here, make sure you're using a secure and updated browser for the best experience. Once the site loads, take a moment to allow any dynamic elements to fully display. You'll find the website's interface is user-friendly and clearly laid out. Now, look towards the top right corner of the home page and you'll see a sign-in option. Click on it. This action will take you to the login page where you'll have several options for logging in. Temu offers flexibility based on your preference or convenience, so choose what suits you best. For those who prefer traditional methods, if you have previously set up an email and password with Temu, you can enter them here. Double check for typos or caps lock errors, as these are common pitfalls when logging in and can easily lead to frustration. Alternatively, if you'd like to use your phone number, select the option to log in with your phone. A verification code will be sent to you. Enter it in the designated area to proceed. This method is highly secure and provides an additional layer of protection. If you would rather streamline the process with an existing account, Temu allows logins through Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Just select your preferred service and you'll be redirected through their secure authorization processes. Ensure that you are logged into those accounts in your browser and follow the prompts. Once you've selected your login method, go ahead and carefully enter the required details. If you're entering a verification code, remember that they are typically time sensitive, so be prompt. It's essential to make sure all information is correct before proceeding, especially if it's your first time logging in, as this will save you a lot of hassle later on. With everything in place, simply click the login button. After a brief moment, you should have access to your account, ready to explore everything Temu has to offer. Whether you're there to browse, shop, or manage your account settings, you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this guide on logging into your Temu account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials and don't forget to subscribe for updates on new content. Happy browsing!